Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox. So you just have to go to your Google web browser, go to Roblox, and then look for create. Now under create, you have to scroll down and look for associated items that is under creations. So actually, you just have to tap creations and then here it is, associated items. And then tap passes that is next to badges. And then you just have to click create the pass here. So you just have to change or upload a photo here from your computer, from your device. You just have to import that photo. For example, I'm going to import my AI robot. So here it is. Now what I'm going to do is to simply create a name for my AI robot. So for example, Sarathi, and then description, everything is up to you. For me, I'm going to type here my AI robot. And then after that, click create pass and wait as it is processing. Now you just have to reload or refresh and you can go back to associate items here and then click the image again. And then this time you have to turn on the sale here. Tap this one, go to sales, and then turn this one on. And then you just have to type how much is this? I mean, price in Robux. Okay, everything is up to you. For me, it's 5, and then click Save Changes. And that's it. All you have to do is to go to your Please Donate, and then you just have to claim a stall there. And then there you can see the sales. I mean, the things or the products that you are selling. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make a Game Pass in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.